Decision to reopen schools in Karnataka next week. State Education Minister. High Court says 50% reservation for Delhi students in NLU, Delhi. Parents not ready to send children to school demand reduced syllabus to continue online classes. HRD proposes to provide digital device to 4 crore students in higher education in 5 years. Bombay High Court disposes PIL seeking cancellation of CISE exams in view of Supreme Court order. Online classes for school students resume in Karnataka. Government to again regulate pre-primary schools. Telangana Diploma exams for July 3 amidst rising COVID-19 cases. Assam extends academic calendar from December to March due to COVID-19. Take the test and pursue your dream course with no tuition fees. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Chanvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Karnataka's Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar said on Monday that decision to reopen schools shut down amid the coronavirus pandemic in the state will be taken after July 5, news agency ANI reported. The Delhi High Court on Monday stayed the move of the Delhi government to introduce 50% reservation at National Law University, Delhi, for students who have passed their qualification exams in the national capital, while ordering status quo on the issue. Parents are not ready to send their children to school and demand online education to continue, while reducing the syllabus for upcoming classes for students belonging to weaker section of society who do not have proper access to online educational tools. The choice between no campus and online schooling is even harder to make. The HRD minister made this projection in a presentation to the 15th Finance Commission Monday. The commission had called the meeting to discuss education in the time of COVID-19. With the COVID-19 breakout exposing a digital divide in education, the HRD minister has projected an expenditure of rupees 60,000 crore over 5 years to provide digital devices to 4 crore students in higher education. The Bombay High Court on Monday disposed of a public interest litigation seeking cancellation of pending Class 10 and 12 exams of Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations, scheduled to be held in July in view of Supreme Court order. Reversing its June 15 order, the Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Department allowed schools across the state to resume online classes for students of all sections, an official said on Monday. The state government has decided to take up the task of regulating pre-primary schools in the state anew in light of provisions of the draft National Education Policy. The decision was taken on Monday at the meeting of education officials chaired by Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who also holds the education portfolio. At a time when the Telangana government cancelled the SSC exams, there is no reflex for diploma students, as the Telangana State Board of Technical Education and Training is all set to hold supplementary exams from July 3. As a result of classes affected due to COVID-19 pandemic, Assam government on Monday decided to extend the academic calendar for government schools in the state from existing December to March next year. Wales University is conducting an online test for students who have completed 10th and waiting for results. Take the test and pursue your dream course with no tuition fees. Online test on July 1st, 2020, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We shall wrap up for the news today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.thenn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Chanvi.